The Insta360 1R is a modular camera. It can be used as a 360 or a wide-angle action camera, but the thing I'm most excited about is the 1-inch sensor made in collaboration with Leica. When it comes to cameras, be it smartphones, action cameras or even professional cameras, what matters the most is the sensor size. There are a lot of benefits to the larger size that we will see in this particular video. So without wasting any time, let's get started. This camera can shoot 5.3K at 30 fps. The video you're seeing right now is being shot and exported at 4K. The question you might be asking is, 4K is more than enough, then why do you need 5.3K? That's actually a good question. The answer to that is, you can change the perspective of the video from ultra wide to narrow, and since it crops, you're going to lose resolution, but the original resolution is 5.3K. Even though you lose a bit of resolution, it's still going to look super crisp even in 4K. The videos are very sharp, crisp details, the colors are vibrant, and you can also shoot in log, which gives you more flexibility to color grade later in post-processing. It can also shoot at 4K 60 fps, 2.7K 60 fps and 1080p 120 fps. The 1080p 120 fps, according to me, doesn't look that good as compared to the other resolution videos. Since the camera can process 4K 60 fps, I guess the camera can also process 2.7K 120 or at least 2.7K 90. I would like to see a higher quality slow motion video option available later with a firmware upgrade. The photos again are very sharp and vibrant like the videos. You have that fisheye look in the photos, but overall the colors, dynamic range is pretty good. Again, thanks to the bigger sensor. You can also shoot in HDR and even in night mode. Most of the times, the auto mode works great in deciding the overall exposure. The dynamic range is quite good. You have good details in highlights and shadows, but you can also use the manual mode. Since it's a modular design, the screen size is smaller. So if you want to use the manual mode or want to see the frame clearly, I will recommend to connect it with your smartphone and then adjust the settings. I'm so impressed with the image quality of this particular camera, I would not mind a non-modular camera having the same sensor but with a bigger display. That would be pretty amazing. Talking about the sensor size, as I said before, this has a 1-inch sensor. Now, compared to the other action cameras, even the latest GoPro Hero 9, this sensor is bigger. Now, why is this such a big deal? A larger sensor has a lot of benefits. The most obvious is low light performance. Since the sensor is larger, there's more amount of light coming in, and that's why you get better performance in low light. Compared to all the action cameras that I have used, this performs the best in low light and all the credit goes to the bigger sensor. I'm really happy to see a 1-inch sensor in such a compact action camera. All the mods use flow state stabilization, and on this particular mod, the stabilization is good, but not perfect. If you want perfect stabilization, the 360 mod is obviously going to be a lot better since it has all the information it needs to stabilize the footages. One thing I wish would have improved is the minimum focusing distance. It is 90 cm. Here you can see I'm trying to vlog but I'm not in focus because I'm close to the camera, whereas the background is in focus and tacked sharp. So if you're planning to vlog, the 4K wide angle mod according to me is going to be a better solution. If you want to use the case, the only extra step you have to do is remove the outer cover, put it in the case and then attach the cover again. It takes more time but it doesn't bother me. The outer cover is a good protection for the actual lens. Like all the other mods, you can also use the 1-inch mod underwater without any special case. I had a lot of fun shooting with the 1R 1-inch mod. Personally, this is my favorite combination. I use mirrorless cameras to shoot my videos. Right now I'm shooting with the Nikon Z6 and the image quality is superb. The reason I don't use a lot of action cameras because the image quality is not on par with these cameras. But that's not the case with this one. With this one, the image quality is superb and I feel very comfortable to use it along with my mirrorless cameras. If you're interested to buy the camera, there is a sale going on right now. The link is in the description. That's it from this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, press the like button. If you're new to the channel, you know what you should do. Subscribe to the channel, guys. It will help me. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.